Hello student, in last two lectures we learned form tag, input elements, input restrictions and one program on form tag, advanced input elements and attributes of input element. Today we are going to learn meta tag and its attributes, program on meta tag, cascading style sheet and program on inline style sheet. So first we start from meta tag. The meta tag is a tag in HTML that describes some aspects of contents of a web page. The HTML meta tag is used by search engines to search information that is provided with the web page. This is empty tag which carries information within its attribute. The meta tag is placed between the head tag and end of head tag. Metadata will not be displayed on the web page. Now remember student, the content which comes into the metadata that is not displayed on your web browser, okay, you can only see the content which comes within the body tag. As you know that meta tag is placed between the head tag and end of head tag, okay, it is not displaying the content on web page. Now we are also aware of that the content which comes within head tag, it is only used for the header purpose, okay. So here the content which will be displayed on meta tag, it is only used by the search engine to search information. Now see attributes of meta tag. First attribute, name. The value of name attribute can be related to any of the following. It may be author, description, keywords and copyright. For example, meta name equal to author specifies the name of the metadata like author, keyword or description. Second attribute, content. It can have any textual matter related to the name as in given example. For example, meta name equal to author, content equal to Bal Bharti. Here content of author is Bal Bharti. Next example, meta name equal to description, content equal to advanced web designing. Here the value for content attribute specifies the name of topic advanced web designing. Meta name equal to keywords, content equal to HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5. Here the value for content attribute are given as keywords like HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5. Third attribute, char set, having values UTF-8 and big5, specifies the character encoding used by the document. This is called a character encoding declaration. For example, meta char set equal to UTF-8, UTF-8 for Indian character. Meta char set equal to big 5, big 5 for Chinese character. And fourth attribute, HTTP EQ. Having the values refresh, set cookies, content type, expires. Used for HTTP response message headers. For example, meta tag HTTP EQ equal to refresh, content equal to 5. Here the page will get refreshed after every 5 seconds. Meta HTTP EQ equal to set cookies. The browser sends cookies back to server. Meta HTTP EQ equal to content type. Content equal to text by CSS. Content equal to text by HTML. Character equal to big 5. Specifies the character encoding for the document. Meta HTTP EQ equal to expires. Content equal to user ID equal to PQR. Expires equal to Friday 10th Feb 2018. Specified GMT time. Here page section will get expired at specified date and time. Now see one example on meta tag. You can see the source code here. HTML tag, head tag, title tag, example of meta tag, end of title tag. Meta tag name equal to author, content equal to Bal Bharti. Closing of meta tag. Meta tag name equal to description, content equal to advanced web designing. Closing of meta tag. Meta tag name equal to keywords, content equal to HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5. Closing of meta tag. Meta tag name equal to copyright, content equal to copyright Bal Bharti, all right reserved. Closing of meta tag. End of head tag. Then body tag, paragraph tag P, welcome to HTML5. End of paragraph tag P, end of body tag, and end of HTML tag. After creating this program, you have to save this program. You can give a name to the program and use extension .html. Okay. Now your program is saved with given name and extension. After that, you can see the output for this program. So when you are going for the output, you are only see a single line onto the web page, that is welcome to HTML5. Why there is only a single line? Because the meta tag is not displaying the content on web page. It is only used by the search engine. Okay, so see the output, how it appears on web browser. You can see here welcome to HTML5, that is the single line. Okay, now we will see cascading style sheets. cascading style sheets in HTML5. CSS stands for cascading style